Good morning, guys. How is everybody doing? Hope everyone's well. Disclaimer, no investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. What I thought I'd do is make like a little mini podcast. It won't be a long one, just covering a few key stocks that many of you guys on Twitter have an interest in, including myself, because I love doing the charts. I love doing the charts. I'm obsessed with charting. We have our Swayze's Charts Discord, which is absolutely flying now, and I won't go on about that. If you're interested, send me a DM. There's loads of information about that now on teaching this system of technical analysis. Let's get into a few of the stocks that I've been charting lately. That's me in the morning, by the way, before I put my makeup on. But let's get into a few of the stocks that a lot of people are interested in, and we've been doing a lot of charting on recently. Dev's moving nice, by the way, isn't it? What should we start off with? Should we have a look at MSMN first off? So this stock on the daily chart, yeah, is trending. It's trending up. It's a beautiful uptrend. I readjusted my chart yesterday. I think I had the trend lines wrong a little bit in the macro, but as we can see, MSMN is trending nicely. We look at it on the daily and on the 4 hour. We don't really, with this system that I use, I don't really use like hourly charts or anything like that, because we're not day trading, right, guys? You're going to have the patience to see the market moves play out over long periods of time. That's what it's all about. If you don't have patience in this game, you're in the wrong job. Do you know what I mean? You're in the wrong game. So if we screw down to the 4 hour with MSMN, we can see that it's a textbook uptrend, right? That is a beautiful trend. Found support. We always have to adjust slightly with the 4 hour charts, by the way. Found support and it started to trend up. Okay, top of its current channel is 0.247 plus, but MSN loves to spike. I honestly expect, with the fundamentals, this to spike to the upside real soon. All right, personally, not financial advice, of course, but this is a lovely bigger channel, and we've now got a lovely little uptrend developing within MSMN. All right, so that's moving lovely. What else can we look at, guys? We don't need to look at Burford Capital, but I called that. You would have had over 200 plus P if you would have looked at that original call back in August. Should we look at GGP? Let's see how GGP is moving, shall we? All right, let's have a quick look. I have over 200 stocks charted at any one time, so forgive me. Sometimes I forget what charts. I need to get more organised that I've posted. Right, let's have a look. As we can see, right, GGP is moving to perfection within its new channel that I detected. Let's just zoom into the daily chart and then we'll see, right? So channels, stock is always moving. Stock is always up to something. Nothing is random about the markets, guys. It may look random to the casual observer and to people that don't understand price movement, but this is moving according to plan. This was the older bullish channel, and then I detected a shift in the channels to a new, more bullish impotence, if that's the right word. Right, so it's now trending up, as we can see. Came down in this triangle, and as we can see, this is how price moves, guys. It's now moving within this channel. It's like cooking, right? Yeah, or baking a cake. You got to get the right ingredients, and you have to have the timings right. Yeah, getting frustrated with the markets, right, is the MO of the market makers. They want to frustrate you. They want to piss you off, right? They want to upset you. They want to make you impatient. Why? Then you hit that buy or sell button at the wrong time. It's as simple as that, right? How many times have you sold out of a stock only to realise, the day later that it goes boom? And that feeling of regret, we've all been there. We all have to go through this process, right? But if you don't learn, if you don't improve, right, if you don't learn some basic skills, right, and how this game really moves, you're going to struggle, all right? So as we can see with GGP, what we're expecting, I'm expecting a breakout at some point to the up. Now, with triangles, price sometimes break out to the low. A lot of the times when it breaks out to the low, it's a good thing, but I'm expecting more bullish movement with GGP. Fingers crossed, touch wood, not financial advice. This is just how I personally see. This is my own opinion, right, of how I see the markets moving, all right. Tills, should we have a look at Tills? Because I've been doing quite a bit of charting with Tills as of late. Let's have a quick look, shall we? I don't know if anybody will bother watching these videos. People don't have patience nowadays. A lot of people don't have patience nowadays. The smartphone generation has shortened the attention span of the average human to that of a goldfish, right? So here we go, guys. Tills looks like it's found support where I said it would a few days ago. And you know, if this is correct, if this macro channel, this big channel with Tills is correct, right? Market structure up above, we've got like 300 plus P. That's what we've got, you know, with this bigger picture, right? The thing is, the reason why stocks sell off, it's all about liquidity, right? Markets move it's an engine. The markets are an engine, right? They are devoid of human emotion, and they are a money-making engine, and that's how they move, right? They don't just like move in linear fashion, right? And they're not there for you, right? The markets are not there for you, right? The markets are a system of money-making system, right? And the only way, in my opinion, right, you can make money out of the markets is going with the big boys, right? And they will leave their plan of attack is to leave as many retail investors holding the metaphorical baby as possible before they make the moves again. Because do you honestly think, right, that these people that run the markets want to take you with them when they go back up to the top? No, they don't. They want to take you out. That's the whole point. They want to take you out of the game, right? Out. They want to take your stop loss out. They want to play with your emotions. They want to make you feel like it's never going to stop going down, and they want to make you sell at a losing position, right? That is how the markets work, guys, right? You know, and if you think otherwise, you know, you're deluded, and you know, that's just the way it goes. Right, here we go. And I don't mean to be rude or harsh or anything like that. I'm just being honest, yeah. There's, you know, sometimes we just have to get straight down to it, don't we? Right, this is INS, right? We charted INS the other day as well. This is moving to perfection as well, right? Not bragging, obviously. We did this chart ages ago. Nice little subtle uptrend. Came down in an asymmetric descending triangle. Broke out, found support at the bottom with setups. I've not got time to go into all that now, and we can see there's a lovely little micro channel, and it looks like it's pushing in a bullish fashion against the micro channel. So yeah, you know, INS is moving lovely. All right, J, sweet trend with J. Should we have a quick look on J? Yeah, a lot of the mining stocks and minerals and ores and irons and gold and all the rest of it, they're moving really, really nice at the minute, aren't they, guys? Let's have a quick look. So let's just see if J's still trending according to plan. Absolutely. We've got a nice little tail bar there forming. It looks like J might want to touch upper resistance. And who knows? We've got market structure above that. Look at this cup and handle. This is called a cup and handle, this, guys, yeah. This is classed as a continuation pattern. I teach it in the Discord. Handle, cup, and cup and handles are continuation patterns to the upside. I mean, look at that. That's just textbook cup and handle. All right, so J's moving very nice. What else should we have a look at? We looked at GGP. Right, we'll have a quick look at ODX, yeah, and then we'll call it a morning. Because I know that ODX is, yeah, that's a pretty hot stock at the minute, and a lot of people are getting frustrated because it's not doing what they want it to do, right? But you know, like I say, you can never get, if you get frustrated with the markets, guys, you've lost already. If you let them play with your emotions, you've lost. It's as simple as that, right? Okay, so you know, you need patience. I know it's difficult, right? And this is why you should really never risk more than you've got to lose, in my opinion, not financial advice. Right, so we've got ODX on the daily chart, right? We can see that it's in a descending asymmetrical triangle, right? Now, this was the support level that I said like early in the week or whatever, and I think it's found support, but price is still very similar to SYME in an asymmetrical downtrend, right? Now we have to let price do its thing, right? What I suspect is going to happen, right, is I think price is going to test these levels, maybe even break through, and then I think what will happen is, looking at the charts, having years and years of experience in this game, I think price is going to find support. It's going to break through, find support, and then make its move back up to the upside. That's what I think is going to happen. Let's screw down to the 4 hour and have a look. But when price is in these patterns, right, and they are patterns for a reason, because markets are controlled by the market makers, the dealers, and the elites, right? If this stuff was random, you wouldn't see the same patterns over and over again in every single market of the world, would you? I mean, it's, you have to ask yourself a logical question. You wouldn't, would you? So why does price move in patterns? Because the market is a machine. It's as simple as that. Right, and the system that I use, of technical analysis, helps to decode the machine. That is why we've got such a mega high accuracy rate on Swayze's charts on Twitter. I mean, like 3,500 tweets now. I mean, I don't even know what the accuracy level is, but I know it's over 75% off the top of my head. Asymmetrical descending triangle, right? Finding support with key candles at a high locational area, right? This is what ODX is doing, but it's still locked into this triangle, so you can see that every time price, guys, has hit the top of this triangle, it's reversed. But what is going to occur is you've got support at the bottom, right, through the bigger macro uptrend, right? So price is going to come into, price has to interact with key levels in the markets. It doesn't just randomly move, right? And there's going to be areas of support as well coming from these swing lows, right? You see these key levels of swing lows here? These are key areas of support as well on the charts. So we just have to be patient, guys. I know it's frustrating if you're in a negative position, right? Because you bought here or you bought here and you've been holding for it to go to the moon and all the rest of it, because you've been looking at all the rampers on Twitter and all the news media and stuff like that. But this is a machine, right? And it has to move according to that machinery of the markets, in my humble opinion. All right, guys. So what I'll do is I'll put this little video on Twitter. Hope everyone's having a good week. All right. Sorry for having a bit of a mini rant, but it's a big passion of mine, technical analysis, and sometimes it gets frustrating because I can see the moves of the markets and I can see how people are being manipulated. It's one of the reasons why. I created Swayze's Charts Discord, was to teach those willing to listen how the markets truly move, all right, according to technical analysis. All right, so I hope everyone's having a good morning, and I'll bang this on Twitter, and if you guys, ever want me to make any other little videos about certain stocks, just let me know, and we'll see what we can do. Those little videos that I've been making on like ODX and on Vast and Orphan and all the rest of it. Should we have a quick look at Open Orphan? Should we have a quick look at that if we've got time? Because I will go on like a broken record. I have no off switch. That's my problem. Right, here we go. Right, let's see if Open Orphan's moving according to the technical analysis. Absolutely it is. So I said that this was the new more bullish uptrend, right? You see? Look at this. Price is moving to perfection within this triangle, finding support at this key area of the charts, right? This key geographical area of the charts. And then we've got market structure. This is its all-time high, right here, this level here, right? But look at the market structure above the all-time high. The market structure above the all-time high is 3940 plus P, right? And that's how I expect this stock to move. Let's just look on the daily chart, right? And it's very, there's interplay, right? There's structures within the markets, right? Some of them are geometric, and some of them are triangles and rectangles, squares, channels, and they all have an interplay within each other, and learning how they interplay and bounce off each other and stuff like that is integral to being able to predict price action. But if you look at it here, right, on the daily, here we go, we've got this channel break to the upside, and then there's different things going on within this particular structure. And then if we screw down to the 4 hour, we can see that we've got this we've got this triangle configuration here, but it's just moving to perfection. I've discovered some new stuff with DD and with N4P as well, but I just don't have time because it would just go on and on this video, guys. Alright, so what I'll do, maybe I'll make some separate videos or something like that later on. Honestly, there's that many stocks, there's not enough time in the day to chart them all out. But hope everyone's having a great day. I'll end this video now. Hope you guys who are interested in how the markets move, send me a DM if you're interested in joining our Discord. We've got like 67 students now, and they're absolutely buzzing. And we're creating a really nice little community. And this is the system that I teach. We've got like 90 plus videos now, tutorial videos now, breaking everything down, you know, doing all the back testing, doing the forward testing, video tutorials, hundreds and hundreds of charts, breaking it down into all the subcategories like triangles and the interplay between consolidation zones and channels and all sorts of stuff, how to read the markets, how to detect what kind of market state, what a trend is, what it means, what you don't do in a downtrend. And now we're now learning about setups and all sorts of stuff. It's all that good stuff. All right. So have a great day, guys. Hope everyone's well. And I'll put this in Twitter. Thought I'd do a little bit of a longer type podcast video. There's more charts to do. If you guys have any feedback, just let me know. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys knocking around on Twitter. And thanks for following me, and thanks for the support. I do appreciate it.